Hello everyone, I am Peter from Hubei Special Automobile Co. Ltd. A concrete mixer truck with a 12 cubic meter capacity, equipped with a heavy-duty Howo 6 chassis. This vehicle will be exported to Zimbabwe. Follow my lens. Firstly, the frontmost part of the tank is the radiator and water tank, used for cooling down tires by spraying water during long-distance transportation. Here are also a motor and a reducer. This device allows the tank body to rotate continuously during transportation, preventing the concrete from solidifying and clumping. There are ladders on both the left and right sides of the vehicle's rear. The discharge port at the tail can swing 180 degrees. When buying a car, look no further than Hubei Special Automobile Co. Limited. I am Peter, and my WhatsApp number is 86186722244040.